Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to see if I can combine a Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon with the Litebee Brix Ⅲ to essentially make the Millennium Falcon into a drone. First I'm going to build the Millennium Falcon, then I'm going to combine it with the Litebee Brix Ⅲ.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
Okay, so we know from this video, I don't know if you've seen it on the channel, that the drone, the Litebee Brix ⅲ, can carry 106 grams. So let's see what this is. Oh, 132. Let me see if I can rebuild it and take a few bits off and get down to 106 grams. Okay, so here is the I've taken apart the first attempt and just added all the pieces I think I need, and that's still 124 grams. So I still need to lose some more weight. Let's see if I can do it. Now I might need to see if I can take 18 grams off the Millennium Falcon. Let's have a look. Okay, so I've taken some bits off and I've got the Millennium Falcon down to 23, which is 17 off. Let's see if that works. Okay, so total weight now is 106 grams, which hopefully should fly. Let's have see if I can put it together now. Okay, so here we have it. Slightly adapted version. Stripped right back, and it is all together. Oh, it's fallen off. 106 grams, but it is a little bit weak, so it might just disintegrate if it collides or crashes. Let's try and fly it.